Hey, it's DevPTB and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be talking about Docker and everything you need to know with Docker even as a beginner. So have you ever tried running a project from GitHub and it just doesn't work? Maybe because of missing dependency, wrong node version or some crashes. I've all been there. I can feel your pain. So this is where Docker comes in. Docker allows you to package your app and everything it needs, the runtime, the code, the library, into one isolated unit called a container. And this container can run anywhere, whether it's your laptop, a server or a cloud. It runs just fine the way it runs on your laptop. So for me, I would define Docker as a tool that allows developers build and run apps inside a container. And these containers are lightweight and portable environments that contains everything your apps needs to run. So many people ask, why a container? Why not a virtual machine? Well, a virtual machine runs the whole operating system, while a Docker container shares the OS kernel that is needed and packages everything that is needed, making the app faster and smaller. So think of Docker like a shipping container shipping codes. It can be run on any computer that has Docker installed, no required setup. It is run just fine the way it's run on your computer. So here is a real life example. Think about when you build a Node.js app and you give it to someone to run on their computer. You know the person needs a node install, which is the right version of the node on your Docker, and also all the dependency correct. If one thing is off, then the app would break, it will not run. So Docker comes in and help. Even if a person doesn't have nodes installed on their computer, just only Docker, the app will run just fine the way it runs on your computer. No required node installation, just only Docker installation, the app will run just fine. So a quick introduction to Docker Hub. Docker Hub is just like your normal GitHub, but it's for Docker images. You can upload your containers image and share them either publicly or privately. Thousands of official images are already there, like Node, MySQL, Python, Redis and more. You can install Docker from docker.com. It's free. It works on Mac, Windows and Linux. And on my documentation, I have a link where you can install Docker. So now you know Docker is a tool that helps developers avoid the problem of it works on my machine and it doesn't work on another person's machine problem. It lets you build and share your app in a consistent and portable way. And in the next video, we will be taking a simple Node app and run it inside a Docker container from scratch. If that sounds useful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and let Docker write your first app in the next video.